Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making Gbegiri. I'll be using my blender for the Gbegiri, so stay tuned. I'm having my pot right there. I set the heat on medium and I will be cooking the peeled beans for about 10 minutes with the lid tightly closed. Then I'll switch to having the lid slightly open to allow air while I increase the heat to high. So you cook for a while, then you check to see if it's soft enough for you to blend, because you need it very soft. I did not add anything to this, but I know people do add something like potash to make it soft on time, but I don't need to do that. That's why you need to start with medium heat, so it makes the beans get softer on time. Then I went ahead and blend it, then strain it. I think that's all you need to do. Then you add your seasoning. For these I use a grinded pepper, shrimp seasoning, locust beans and palm oil. So enjoy and keep watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, don't forget to like and share. And if you're new on my channel and yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. It's free to subscribe on my channel. And don't forget to watch more videos. Thanks so much for joining me today. Stay safe and remain blessed.